Well, good afternoon, good morning, or good evening, whenever you guys are watching this out there, all my viewers to be named later. I told you we're going to come out a little bit strong in 2024, right? Whoo! We're going to do some weird science today. And I got 3 little victims, volunteers, voluntold, however you want to call it. Now, as you know by that thumbnail and everything else you clicked on to get here today, we're going to take a look at great value candy versus name brand. Seriously, we really are. I saw these a little while ago, and I saw the Twix version, and I went, well, it's about time they're coming out with their own crap. I mean, think about it. If you walk through any big box store, you see soda that's ripped off. You see chips that are ripped off. You see everything that if anybody can make a profit on it, they're going to. And I was like, it took Walmart forever and a day, right? Forget about pricing. It's candy. Come on, it's candy. But still, for those of you guys who want to know, oh, hey, look at that. I got till September 22nd, 2024 to eat these. There is the great value nutritional facts. And there is the usual on a Kit Kat. But can we get honest for a moment? Who really looks at nutritional value on candy? If you have that much free time in your life to look at nutritional value on sugary goodness, please seek help. That's all I've got to say. All right. Who wants to do some science?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a little bit of a better answer, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. Now, we're going to start with the real obvious thing. We're going to start with, let's take a look at the product. Okay? So there's more than enough in here for all you little monsters to have some. Ladies first. Okay, take a look at it. What's it look like to you?
Looks like a
It looks
Kit
like
Kat
a Kit
without the
Kat
branding.
without the name on it.
That's what the great value looks like. Exactly. It looks exactly like a Kit Kat without the Kit Kat logo on there.
Part of mine has the chocolate part off, so I can see the wafer.
No, you're okay. That's a little more for a Kit Kat. I'm kind of abstaining on this little thing. Go ahead, guys. Eat them both up. I'm kind of abstaining in this little go-around simply because I gotta go see my VA soon, and I really don't want to be called any fatter than I already am. So, yeah, I hate those yearly little weigh-in things when they're like, step on the scale. Oh my God, according to your last chart. I know I'm fat. I can tell I'm fat. I know I've put on weight, okay? Anywho, eat them up. They got 2, and they're trying to scientifically analyze everything. It's kind of funny. Really, it's candy. It's taking you guys this long to eat candy?
They should have been done by now.
You look good with a dad bod.
Oh, shut up.
I'm saying you look good.
She's wanting the extra candy. She's giving me a comment. Come on. I swear to God, if I was actually talented, I'd have the Jeopardy theme song playing right down below right about now. You know, the end question for Jeopardy? Yeah.
You can ask them mine.
Oh my God, no, finish up. We gotta do this all together. I'm just gonna prepare for the next one. Okay, so while she's over there chomping away, trying to look intelligent. But she goes to public school in Washington State, so there's no such thing as intelligent public school people in Washington State. You've heard me rant about this. This isn't anything new. Okay, we done? All right. As usual, thumbs up, thumbs down. It's candy. I expected 3 fucking thumbs up. I'm not a goddamn idiot, okay?
Yeah, I would expect knockoffs.
I mean, I'm an 8.
All right. Anywho, what'd you think?
I would say it did taste a little off from the actual brand.
Okay, but
It's still pretty good. Like, the wafer tastes a little more bland than usual. And the chocolate feels like more milky or like something.
okay. Now go get a drink because you got to wash the palate out before the next one. Dumbass.
It tasted like a lighter version of the Kit Kat.
So not as heavy on the chocolate, not as heavy in the mouth, that kind of
Yeah.
thing. Okay.
I'm not saying I hate that, but
It was different.
it's different, yeah.
Okay. If you could eat it again, would you?
Yes.
It's a teenager candy. Come on. You, go get a drink. Gotta wash the palate out. Oh, God, here we go. She's already going, and rolling the eyes.
Surprisingly,
Hey.
I would expect like a knockoff to like taste worse, but surprisingly, it actually tasted pretty good overall for being a knockoff of Kit Kat.
Okay, so you know what I'm gonna ask you next? No, you're already giving me the thumbs up. If you
No,
can
like,
eat it
yes,
again.
yes.
All right, go get a drink. Hurry up.
Of course, my water bottle's empty.
You said water, not Gatorade.
And guys, we all know what a Kit Kat looks like, right? So there you go. There is the real official Kit Kat.
Give me a break.
I'm gonna give you a break when I throw you down the stairs. Disclaimer, I'm not gonna throw him down the stairs, okay? Because I'd have to clean up stuff, and I really don't want to answer to CPS why he screwed up and like, broke all his body. But still. Waiting on you, Slowpoke. You two, start eating.
Why are your bones broken?
Yeah, quiet. We've moved on.
Empty.
We've moved on.
Yeah, they actually have the Kit Kat logo.
Gee, the Kit Kat has a Kit Kat logo. What a concept. Man.
Public school.
Don't start. You're following in her footsteps. Eat.
I'm following up this.
Yeah, that's not anything to be proud of. Eat.
But I am better.
Just eat. I can't wait for winter break to be over. Oh my God. It's like almost at the weekend where I can get rid of these kids in the new year. The hostage situation is almost done.
Yeah,
How
you're
come
all a
Marley
hostage.
Come on. I figured this would have been quicker by now. Anyone surprised in the chat that you're trying to give kids candy and they're like, it's for a video, so let's... Oh my God, like on the third bite. Anybody surprised? Anybody?
The long piece of candy.
Whatever. Okay, all three are done, right? Swallow, I see you chewing. Come on, you little chipmunk. I see the thing in your cheek. Let's start simple. For the real Kit Kat, can we get a thumbs up or thumbs down? What a surprise. Both kids are giving 2 thumbs up, just like they did for the last one. It's candy. All right, we're going to go in the reverse order. Brat, you first.
It's definitely better than the great value stuff.
How so? Tell me why.
Well, I'm betting. I don't know if this is true. They actually make their chocolate better, like maybe adding more texture.
Okay, so the chocolate tasted better to you.
Yes, as well as the wafer. Overall, it's just better.
Okay, so if you could get candy again, would you?
Yeah.
Go away. I already know what you're going to say. All right, you absolute pain in my ass, and the first kid I get to evict in a couple years. Let's roll. Come on.
Yeah, like Gamer said, the chocolate and the wafer is just in generally better, like both in texture and taste.
So it was a better overall experience to you.
Yes, better overall experience.
I'm not even going to ask. Go away. All right, you.
But I mean,
I would say that
Try again. Come on.
I would say the chocolate tasted a little more like dark chocolate, and the wafer had more flavoring than the Great Value one. And yeah, I agree with Amber and Caden. Overall, it was really good, and yes, I would try it again.
All right, go away. So there we go. 3 impartial taste testers on the overall. If you guys could pick right now, would it be Great Value or Kit Kat?
Kit Kat.
Name brand or Great Value?
Name brand. Name brand.
All 3 say name brand. Me, look, I'm an old Irish fat boy. Candy's candy. Get in my belly. I'm happy. I get the sugar rush. I take a nap afterwards. I'm good. But there we go. 3 little independent taste testers have all said both were good, but they prefer the OG Kit Kat. Now we are at the best part of the video, and God, I can't wait for these comments. I really, truly can't. I want to know your... Take it, Caden.
Questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below.
Oh my God, he got it right. He might live through the night. You heard the monkey do what he said, guys. Like I said, I've already had these. I prefer the name brand, but if I can save an extra buck or two when I have 3 little hungry mouths looking at me going, Daddy, why are you getting 14 Kit Kats and none for us? You know what I'm saying, right? You know what I'm saying, right? All right, guys. Now, if it makes you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, I'm sure I did that rolling into 24 with the review on candy bars. Please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to show love and support for the channel, and that is always appreciated. Not to mention, it's going to give you good karma. You put out good energy, you're going to get good energy back. But there we go. Our quick, impartial taste testing of, well, Great value versus name brand. Thanks for watching this one, guys. I know they're kind of silly. Trust me, we got another one coming up soon. Twix. Oh, spoiler alert. Like I said, thanks for watching this one. I hope you're having a great day, a safe day, and I look forward to seeing all of you in our very next video.